Welcome back to the Wider channel. In the last episode, we swapped our engine out with our donor engine. In this episode, we're going to take it from this to this. So without further ado, let's get this started. Well folks, I've gotten just about as far as I can get in a week's time. Getting a little cold out. We've got about a foot of snow on the ground here. The electronics are all hooked up. I've topped off the oil. I've topped off the antifreeze. And the airbox is put back in. So let's see if she fires up. And just like that. Sounds like I might have an exhaust leak, but I'd say that is a great start. Well, there you have it, folks. The Spyder is up and running. In the next episode, we'll put all the plastics back on, and hopefully by then we'll have a little less snow on the ground and we'll take her for a ride. If you like what we're doing, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It helps with the growth of the channel. That's all I have for now. We'll see you on the next one.